Hey all you viewers, Beard Emulator, how we doing today? Thanks so much for coming back, and man, we have an incredible one for you. We have October's Scent of the Month from Chesapeake Beard and Grooming. Now what I think is cool, I was having a live feed a little bit ago, and Gary let me debut that artwork on there for about 10 seconds. It was a little while ago, I can't remember who I was hosting. I think it was Bearded Life for some reason. But yeah, so Rusted is here. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, man, you're going to have a great experience with this video. For those of you familiar with Gary and his awesomeness, skip ahead about a minute, minute and a half, and we'll get into the meat and taters of this video. Alright, now for you guys who are unfamiliar with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, it's cool. Alright, you can find them at ChesapeakeBeard.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave that right down below in the description box. One click, easy access. They are very proudly made in the USA out of Indian Head, Maryland. They are 100% veteran owned. Gary is the HMFIC over there, and he is former United States Marine. So semper Gary, keep kicking ass and taking names. Mad Dog Mattis will be proud of you, brother. They do have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with what's going on, get a hold of Gary. He's going to bust his hump to make things right for you. Now, I love the fact that Chesapeake was created with one goal in mind, to provide the best products and services imaginable on the planet with no gimmicks, no hype, no bull. Gary's like, here's my products, they're going to change your life. And guys, yeah, I'm a Chesapeake junkie. If you can't tell by my channel, I've reviewed a lot of his products. Now, I love the fact that every product is based off a lot of extensive research. Gary gets in there, he does his homework, he figures out what works, what doesn't work. He just doesn't take a bunch of ingredients and throw them at the wall like spaghetti and go, okay, it's done. I love the fact that all these products are handcrafted. Gary produces everything he is legally allowed to in his shop. Washes and co-washes, he can't, so he farms those out to a lab. But Gary does not use a co-packer to make the good that is Chesapeake. Alright guys, now, a while ago Gary had like his art series, but now he is back to doing like a subscription box. And this time it's like the Scent of the Month. What I think is really cool is you've got two options, alright? You can get just a 1 ounce oil for 20 bucks, or you can make it a combo for a 2 ounce butter for 36. Now, if you subscribe, you're going to pay a little bit less. Now, I do want to say this up front on the Scent of the Month. There is no discount codes. There are no affiliate codes. There are no returns. And just like every other subscription box out there on the planet, you do have a cutoff date, and that's the 15th of every month. If you order after that, you're going to have to wait 2 months to get the good for that month. All right, now we have all that fun stuff out of the way. Woohoo! Let's get to the scent profile. Now, this one reminded me of something that he produced a while ago, but it's different. It's got memories of that one, but yeah. So the scent profile is forest apples, rustic woods, a rustic woods blend, and a splash of hidden rum. Now, I love how he says hidden. When I put it on, and I've been using it for a couple days now since I've had it, I got the rum right away, and then it just mellowed out into an apple woodsy, kind of like you're out picking in an apple orchard with Grandpa. That's the only way I can put it, because that's one of my fond memories is doing that, where Grandpa would give you the basket, he'd sit down on his little stool with his little flask and be like, go get him. Go get him. But still, I love the artwork on that thing. I mean, look at that. I know, the lighting in here, but still. Hopefully that's coming in pretty good. Okay, now let's give you the ingredients and all the other fun stuff. So for the oil, you've got jojoba oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, emu oil, squalene oil, shea nut oil, and essential fragrance blends. On the beard butter, you've got shea and cocoa butter, mango butter, Olympia nut butter, lanolin, jojoba oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, abyssinian oil, cherry kernel oil, and essential fragrance blends. There's a mouthful. Alright, now how do you use both of these? That's cool if you don't know how. That's why we go to YouTube, right? So for the oil, you always shake your bottle up. Seriously, you shake the crap out of it. Alright? That means everything's getting all mixed up back in there. Everything's going good. If anything gets settled, like the essential of the fragrance oils rising and falling, you've got them all back in there. I like the fact that Chesapeake's going more to an orifice or a restrictor top. Makes things a little bit easier, especially if you make a boo-boo and you knock it over in the bathroom when you're putting it on. You're not going to lose most of your bottle. Turn your bottle upside down, of course with the cap off, and give it a tap, tap, tap. You're going to get it right in your hand, the amount you think you need. Now here's a trick, alright? I use about the size of a quarter. I really do. everybody uses a different amount. Here's a great way for all you first-timers and guys who are still coming up to see if, well, there's two great ways to see if you've used too much. About a half hour after you've applied your oil, just gently run your hands over your beard. If you come up with an oil slick in your hands, you've used way too much. Or another great way is like that line underneath, as you call it, like the little dead zone on your t-shirt. If it looks like an oil slick, you know, like you've been working out, you got that big sweat thing going on down there, you're using way too much. And trust me, that does not come out of your shirts easily. Okay, so after you get the amount in your hands, rub your hands together. It's really going to warm that oil up and activate that scent profile so you get that good. Yeah, and by the way, I'm using Rusted right now, but still, I should say, work it into your beard all the way down to your skin and groom your beard out. It is that simple. Now, beard oil has three really, really good uses. Number one is, like I was talking about, it's going to help that skin underneath your beard a lot. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils out there in order to keep your beard growing long, luscious, beautiful, and strong. Doubt me? Take a weekend off from showering. Seriously, guys, brave the couch for a moment. All right? Your head hair is going to get really, really greasy and really, really nasty. Your beard is going to dry out and feel like a bird's nest and crackly wood and that kind of stuff. It's going to drive you insane. So you need to keep resupplying the oils and keep it moving. Number two is beard oil is really going to soften up that man-mane. It really, truly is. It's going to get in there. It's going to make it great, manageable, and some of them make it really, really baby butt smooth. You really want your better half getting in there and being like, oh yeah, as opposed to access denied. You know what I'm talking about. And number three is that scent profile. When you find one that works for you and gives you that boost and gives you that confidence and your better half likes it, you know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. So there's the great uses for beard oil. Now, for the butter, like I said, this one's still new. I've only used it a couple times. Only got it a couple days ago. So yeah, you can see I got that little butter nipple going on in there. You basically get in there, scrape an amount out that you need. What I usually do is go from about right there, right down to about that first knuckle, get it in your hand, warm it up. It'll break it down from that solid state into kind of a liquidy state, and repeat the process you did with beard oil. Groom it in, I should say work it in, groom it out. It's going to give you a light hold on your beard, and beard butter is more for your hair than it is for your skin. You can use it as a body butter, no big deal, but it's really designed to help that hair. It's going to provide it a lot of nutritional support. It's going to provide it everything it's going to need to make it just awesome. All right, we got all those basics covered. So let's get to the fun part. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. Have you used Chesapeake before? Have you picked up Rusted? Have you been using it? How are you doing with it? I like it. Like I said, it reminds me of an older oil by Chesapeake, but with a vastly different thing, and it's providing a great memory of being around my grandpa. So I think that's really, really cool. Yeah. So yeah, why am I picking it up? I don't know. All right. A few first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I know this one's a little crazy. I do things a little bit differently, all right? Just want to say thanks. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Seriously, what can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn that. Maybe you can help change the course of history of my channel, You never know what you can provide that will change the courses. After you've done that, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've done that, if you so choose, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Yeah, I'm really screwing these up today, but still. Like I said, destroy that little bell icon. Why? That's a great question. Because by doing that, you'll enable YouTube to notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much, 2 of them will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My look at Rusted by Chesapeake Beard Grooming. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are being safe. I hope all of you are having an incredible day, and I'll see you in the next video.